Okay, so here's an update. We are almost finished the floor in the kitchen. We have just a little bit left, and then at some point we're gonna do the bathroom. But it is looking gorgeous. I'm loving the floor. We have the new refrigerator in place. And the next part of the project is to update the color on the cabinets. Because now with the floor being the white and gray, the cabinets are looking not clean, but they are clean. But they were originally painted a creamy white. So now we're going to do a bright white on the cabinets. The plan is to do a bright white for the upper cabinets. Going to do a bright white for the upper cabinets and possibly a gray for the bottom cabinets. That way if stuff spills on them, they are still looking good. So the cabinet doors are down and I have them on my countertop. And I started painting them. So this one is real hard to see because it's white. But I painted this one fully, this cabinet door. And this is the bright white. And let me show you the difference. So this is the one that's not painted all the way. And so right here you can kind of see this is the bright white and then this is the off-white. This is all of the off-white and then I cut in for the bright white already. So it's going to make a huge difference in how the cabinet tops look. But I'm so excited. I'll try to clear it up for y'all. I'm so excited the white is washing out. So that is going to be the difference. This is one of the doors completely painted. And you can kind of see it with the floor. It's looking so much nicer. It has a cleaner look, so I'm putting on the first coat tonight. That way I can go ahead and see the difference. You can see the difference right there. It's cut in with the bright white and then the off-white is the original color cabinet doors. So, and I did all of the frames already. They've already been done. And moving on to the next step. Alright family, here we go to the next part of the project. So I've already started to paint the cabinet doors. This is the bottom section of the cabinet doors. And I'm doing it in two phases. I'm doing this side of the stove and then I'm coming over and I'll do this side after this side dries. Because it's rainy and cool outside today and I do want to get this done today. I also did the sides and you'll see all of the paint tape done. And so here's the next part of the project. So hey family, today is the debut of the makeover of the kitchen. So this is my kitchen area and we just did a makeover. And I'm gonna start from the cabinets. My cabinets were an off-white color. And we painted all of the upper cabinets a pure, clean, bright white. Pure, clean, bright white. All of the top cabinets. All of the bottom cabinets, and you see this door is open, so that means that there's an organization project coming up, but all of the bottom cabinets were painted a gray tone. And so I'm loving the two-tone look. The countertops are the same, the sink is the same, but we redid the floor, and the flooring is what sparked this whole kitchen makeover. So you see that we laid the floor. It is a peel and stick tile, but we laid it in a specific pattern that was a little different than the average. So we went 2 tiles going vertical, and then 2 tiles going horizontal, 2 vertical, 2 horizontal, and that was the pattern that we used throughout. And I'm loving how the floor is looking. So when we laid this tile down, this white and gray tile, with the off-white cabinets, it just made the cabinets look dingy. So we did the remake. And then our piece de resistance is our beautiful new door-in-door 4-door LG refrigerator. So yeah, the upper cabinet. So this is the makeover of the kitchen. I showed y'all the dining room. Now I showed you the kitchen. I still have to accessorize up at the top. So there's some things I'm going to do at the top. The air oven used to stay on this side, but I noticed that now that the kitchen is remodeled, that I like to cook more. And so I like to prep on this, I like to prep on that countertop because it's between the sink and the stove. And so it's just easier to prep there. But yes, in the future we are going to be changing the countertops. You'll see that there are some stains, and so this countertop has been here since we moved in. So our next project is to change the countertops, and we're going to change the stove. But this is the overall look of the kitchen. Okay, let me give you a quick look at the eat-in area. So it goes all the way to the eat-in area. And so this is the eat-in area. I changed out the table. I had a dark table, and then I had a glass and gold table. My husband is not feeling the gold, so I went out and I got this table, and I love the size of this table. It's a 36-inch round. So you'll see that there's one chair back here. So I am still looking for some chairs, and I'm looking for chairs, and I only really want 2. I'm thinking that I want 2. The kids can eat in the dining room at the bench, but I'll put 2 chairs in here for when we just want to sit and sip and have coffee or whatever. But that's all that is in this section. So I will be looking for 2 matching chairs, and I'm trying to decide whether I want a gray with a natural leg so that it'll blend in with this. And then this weekend, once we're on quarantine, because a lot of this I have been doing around the house. I've been using things that we have around the house. I'm going to get some curtains, but I'm thinking of ordering some gray panels, 120-inch from IKEA. So that might be next. And then I have this little shelf area that is also coming down because I want to put in wall-to-wall cabinets, I think. So let me step back. I want you all to see this area. If you all have an idea of what I should do on this wall, please leave it in the comments down below. I do love to hear your ideas. That way I can incorporate them into my home. So that is a look at the new remodeled, redesigned kitchen area. And I'm loving how the gray is flowing throughout the house. The floors are gray and white. We have the appliances that are stainless steel. This is actually a black stainless steel refrigerator, and I'm just loving the way the whole downstairs is coming together. This being on quarantine has really lit a fire under me and given me the time to go ahead and make some adjustments with things. So thank you all for watching. And as always, make each and every day amazing. Bye for now. Love you all.